Hello everyone! This time I will share review on inequality, converting interval to inequality and their corresponding graphs. Please subscribe on my channel.
Hello everyone! So we are now, as I promised to you, I'm going to discuss about inequality, the types of inequality, since you are going to use this one in finding the domain and range of the given function. So let me share my screen for this. We have here the different types of inequality. So inequality and equality. So we have here equal sign, not equal. So this is part of inequality. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These are the different inequality form. So we have bounded and we have open. So we have the interval, the graph, and the set builder notation or the inequality form. So this one is open. So x is, how you're going to read this one, x is greater than a but less than b. So open a, b. And this one, x is greater than a but less than or equal to b. Half close b. Next, x is greater or equal to a but less than b. Half close in a. So in the shaded region here is a. Then we have a close bounded, x is greater than or equal to a but less than or equal to b. This is an open. We have x is greater than a. X is greater than a. From a to positive infinity. X is less than b. From b going to the negative infinity. X is greater or equal to a. So close a going to the positive infinity. So close a going to the positive infinity. Next, x is less than or equal to b. From b going, close b going to the positive infinity. And this is the real numbers from the negative infinity to the positive infinity. So we have here an interval notation and the graph, the corresponding graph with the interval form. So we have here x is greater than -1 but less than 3. So when you graph this one, this is from open, -1 here, open 3. So x is greater than -1 but less than 3. But the solution sets here is only 0 and 2. Since this is open, so it means from -1, we have here -1 point something to 2.999, not really equal to 3, 2.999. So in interval form, open -1, open 3. Bounded and open. Next, we have x is greater than, how to read this one? X is greater than or equal to -6 but less than or equal to -1/2. Close. So here's the graph. Close from -6 to 1/2 here. -1/2. In interval form, close -6, comma, close -1/2. So bounded and closed. Another example, this is x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 2.3. Close yan in 2.3 but open in 0. So we have here the graph. Open 0 to 2.3, just estimate. So this is half. Open 0, comma, 2.3 close. This bracket is closed. This parenthesis is open. So bounded and half open. Another one. X is greater than -2. So open -2 going to the positive infinity. So these are all the solutions here from -2 going to the to the positive infinity. So from -2, actually -2 is not part, but the boundary is -2 to positive infinity. That's why this is unbounded and open. Open man siya. Unbounded, siya boundary sa one side. Another one, x is less than or equal to 4.5. Here is the graph. From 4.5 going to the negative infinity. So when you write the interval form, negative infinity to 4.5 close. Do not interchange. It must be the smaller number here, the smaller boundary here in the abscissa or the x, and then for the ordinate, it must be the boundary to the right side going to the positive infinity. Since this is less than or equal to 4.5, close. Unbounded siya and close. Okay. So, converting between intervals and inequalities, right? The open interval, negative 2, 5 as an inequality in set builder notations here. From x such that x is greater than negative 2 but less than 5. This is open. Is this open or closed? Yes, this is open. Another one. Write negative 2 close to positive infinity as an inequality in a set builder notation. X such that x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Is this open or closed? Of course, this is closed. But unbounded. Another one, negative infinity to 6. How you are going to write in inequality form? Set builder notation. Less than 6. X such that x is less than 6. Is this open or closed? This is open.
For your activity, please answer the given task.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my channel.